You are going to love the 2021 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.